Hi guys, Amber J from Best Bets Trades. I hope you're all having a great weekend. I know I am. I just wanted to come on and give you guys an update on one of the plays that we took on Friday of Tesla. I wanted to show it to you on the chart so you can get a better understanding or idea on what we're looking for when we're using Gundy's indicators. So I'm going to go over that play with you and so you can understand what we're doing. And also too, I'm going to go over some AMC levels that Gundy has mapped out for you and give you a bit of TA on AMC from the 1 hour daily and weekly time frames. And I'll just jump right into it here. So in the morning, we got the sell signal on Tesla, but it's kind of a good idea to let the chart play out a little bit so you have an idea of what way it's going to go. So right away, we see that the candles are starting to wick off the previous day low. We get the buy signal from Gundy's indicators, and the candles come up above the EMA lines. And so that right there is the buy. The candles wicking off previous day low, they're above the EMA's confirmation to enter a trade. So Gundy entered into this trade here, this candle, and he wrote it up to here, and then he got out. And then I was watching it, and it was kind of consolidating over to the blue EMA line. And then I got in because it wicked off of it and wrote it up to here. And then I was out of that candle. And then if you add, like, there are certain times where you think that it might roll over and we get bearish candlesticks like this one here, but it's all fake outs because we're still under the buy signal on Gundy's indicator. And until we get confirmation from the sell signal and other confirmations like the same stuff, but we're looking the opposite way around, there's no reason to exit that trade. It kept using the EMA as support all the way up, and we were under the buy signal all day long. So technically, you could have wrote it all the way up till the end of the day. But I know that not a lot of people like that to do that, especially scalpers. But I mean, it was under the buy signal all day. There's times where it looked like it could have turned bearish, and it never did. We never got those confirmations. So that's a trade that we took on Tesla, and it kind of gives you an understanding on how we use the indicators. And these buy sell indicators, they're no joke, you guys. They seriously help so much when you're trading. And I've noticed a huge difference in my trading when I've been using Gundy's indicators. They're awesome. So you guys are interested in the Discord, is $550 for a lifetime membership for life. So it's a one-time fee. That's offered only to the next 25 members. Any members after that, it's $50 a month. But we do offer a free week so you can test out the indicators for yourself, check out our voice, um, our voice channel where we give a lot of these call outs live in the voice during the day, and we discuss it while you're actually making the trade. You can learn so much just by even listening in as opposed to even trading. You can just listen and watch other people place their trades, and you just learn so much. And the outcome of this is that you know how to use these indicators yourself. You can identify your own setups and play on your own. So you can be an independent trader and not rely on other people's callouts. That's the beauty of these indicators. And I've noticed a huge difference in my consistency and using them as well. So just my quick update on that. Like, this Discord is awesome. I'm gonna go to AMC. And I'm gonna look on the 1 hour for AMC. And as you can see, the 1 hour looks super bearish. It's bearish because we got the sell signal right here, and we got the candles pushing below the EMAs, and also too, the squeeze indicator is pushing to the downside as well. And to me, it kind of looks like it's a double top, like the M shape. So it could just very well go up, down, up, and flush. Like it looks pretty bearish to me, but also too, I kind of see like that cup and handle pattern forming. But to me, with using Gundy's indicators, the sell and they're pushing below the EMAs and the squeeze is triggering to the downside, it looks pretty bearish to me on the 1 hour time frame. But then when you look at the daily, just gonna pull up the daily here. Look how bullish that looks. It's under the buy, it's above the EMAs, and it's just pushing up. But I can also see potential like double top here as well. I mean, it looks bullish, but maybe it just double tops because this has been run up on earnings and news about the tokens and stuff. So I don't know what, like, it looks bullish as of now, but I don't know. Maybe it double tops. We'll just have to kind of watch it and see. So that's on the daily, but then even if you look on the weekly, look at that. Those EMAs are pushing right up, and look at that candle. And the next candle, like they look like it's just gonna, and it's under the buy. It looks very, very bullish, but also too, like there's a double top here on the weekly too. So there's potential for it to go up. But I don't know, like it's running on earnings and news and stuff. So it could rip or it could just completely flush. I'm not 100% sure on that, but we do have levels that Gundy provided for you. So his levels for AMC, we've got call triggers and put triggers. You can just watch and see how it plays out. And once the indicators are pointing in the right direction and the calls or the puts are triggered, then you can look to enter into one of those plays. So for AMC, the call trigger, Gundy put is 25.57. The first price target is 25.95. The second price target is 26.44. The third price target is 27.25. The fourth price target is 27.63. And then for the puts trigger, it's 23.50. So the first price target is 23.10. The second price target is 22.79. The third price target is 22.30. The fourth price target is 21.80. And the fifth price target is 20.77. So we're prepared because Gundy provided those levels. And also too, we know once the call is triggered, we get into the calls, and the put is triggered, we get into the puts, provided that the indicators are pointing in that direction as well. So there you have it. It's a rundown on AMC. We're prepared because we're prepared to play both ways, whether it flushes and drops to the downside or it pushes to the upside. We're prepared both ways. Guys, the value in this group is absolutely incredible. Like, we're prepared. We're prepared for this play for Monday. Anyways, I hope you guys are all having a great weekend, and I will talk to you all tomorrow. Enjoy.